Saan tayo?
Picnic Grove.
Saan yung picnic grove?
Ano nga lang, hinahanap ko. Tagaytay.
Para palang Baguio ito eh.
Kaya nakakakiya ko dito.
Boss, boss. Gabenta mo dyan, boss.
Isang... Damn.
Damn, ay ganda oh. Haway na haway oh.
Profit ko ano? Pag nabenta ko.
Sila na look. It's Hawaii. Ang gagawin mo, Kino?
Saan tayo?
Pag sumabog yung... magpapani ka ba? Ikaw, magpapani ka ba? Pag the day the earth stood still, pag sumabog yan, ang gagawin mo? Papunta saan?
Sa tubig.
What?
You cut it out.
You gonna make me edit?
Kailan na mo kabayo?
Hey, kailan na? Where are we?
There's kabayo. I want a kabayo.
Where are we?
We're in Picnic Grove in Tagaytay.
Do you want to show me that?
Hmm?
Do you want to show me that?
So first, you gotta pay payment area.
Mama, Papa, you can ride in the kabayo.
Okay, you wanna ride? Okay, you can. Sayang ka ba? Magkano yung Pringles, boss? Boss, dito tayo sa Picnic Grove, nagbebenta. Kumikita ang kabuhayan si Ken. Wow. So guys, nakikita niyo yung view na yan. Ang ganda ng view. Iba pa rin yung Pilipinas. Ang ganda pa rin, parang Hawaii.
Ilan po?
Strawberry.
Strawberry ang vanilla.
Uy, ang sarap. Oh.
Kailan
Ganda kina. Ganda ng bundok. Oh.
like that too.
Dapat tawin na tayo? Ngayon kasama ko yung pamilya ko ngayon. Insert key na lang. May pasok at duty yung anak ko.
Yeah, you try it. Okay. Ilan na?
I don't want.
Kailangan it's strawberry. You gotta try it.
That time I tried that one.
Payo yung ano.
G. Kaya mo magkano bilis? Kung 100 lang lahat kayo.
Yung 100 na 250.
250? Taga Manila tayo eh. Horse and horse.
Ana?
Uwi ride, tiyante.
Ha?
Uwi ride, balikan.
Oo, di ba? 300.
Sabi mo pagkalahati lang.
Tara.
Sino?
Ako. Gusto ko i-try.
Ako din gusto ko rin. Lima tayo.
Ikaw okay na?
Di ba kayo? Hindi nakakasana.
Baka kabahan.
Sige, sino una?
Ako na. Ano na ako?
Someone, the boy first. Boys first.
Kailangan what are they gonna do?
Zip line. I think I'm not allowed.
Ano paglabas mo yung naabang na polis? Oo, mag-zipline sila. Sabi mo na. Ay mo kayo. KG ka naman. Kailangan na look. Think about it. Kailangan na look. Think about it. You want?
Diba?
You want?
I don't know.
Think about it. Oh, you start vlogging na.
Pwede yan kaya dalawa ni kailangan.
One of the last days, Sonny brought this right. It goes so high. These go so high.
Okay, so what are you gonna do?
Zipline.
3. 3.
Kayo pong tatlo?
Yeah. So, it's 300.
Pwede mo ng cellphone, bawal ang cellphone. Pasok na lang po.
Saan na yung cellphone?
Doon sa loob po.
Okay.
Ito giant talaga. But it sounds like K-Judge. It sounds very say K-Judge.
Sumama ka doon parang...
I have 2 million Robux na eh.
Yan na sila, tara, tara.
Hindi yung pwede. Mare pa mabalikan kay ubos na.
Yan na.
Yun naman, sakay tayo dun mamaya, oh.
Ayaw ko!
Tingnan lang naman. Abay doon sa parking.
Na yung babae.
Ate Kayla! Papa!
Yeah, so we're in Tagaytay. Well, you should have. I asked you if you wanted to.
No,
I said you could bring one of your friends.
but Anika's grounded.
Oh yeah, she's still grounded.
Why is Annika grounded?
Until the end of April.
Ay, libre. So ano pati anak mo ginaganyan mo ito?
Wala ko yun eh.
Bumili siya.
Ass. Yeah, so fucking hot. Nandito.
Do you need to pay?
Okay, where are we, Kailana?
We're in Sky Ranch, Tagaytay again.
Again, part 2.
Part 2. Yeah, part 2. So hot.
So hot. Well, you have a hat on, so
Yeah.
yeah. So we're at Sky Ranch Tagaytay. Hey, there's a roller coaster. Kanina mo pa inasar si Kailana. Unagi. Say sorry.
Ano ba ganyan, Tino?
Kina. 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 Man. You want mango, Kailana? Yeah, let's buy fruits.
Okay, I'm gonna buy.
Here, money.
I'm gonna buy them.
Buy me fruits too.
Okay.
Mango.
What are the flavors in that?
Yeah. Bahala na kasi yung cloak. Cloak to eh. Yeah.
Yeah.
All night. Grapes? You hold it.
No, it's not frozen. Papa thought it's frozen. It's sugar.
Oh shit.
No, I'm not going.
Hey guys, where are we?
We're in Sky Ranch.
But I wanna go in that roller coaster.
I'm not going.
No, nagkakalula.
Roller coaster tayo. Let's go. Right all you can. Kailana, come on. Over here, guys.
I'm going in that. I want to go in that Ferris wheel.
Si Bongbong. Bongbong ako. Mga tropa ni Evo ko.
Why did we go that way? The entrance is that one.
It's the exit.
Oh, where's the entrance? Here you.
I'm not sure. It says exit.
Oh!
Kuya kaya, dalawa na tayo.
Si Mama na lang si Mama.
Ito?
Pa. I remember me and Kuya Kina ride there. He almost fell.
Which one?
That one. Baby Viking.
It's the exit. Oh man. Oh, it's the volcano.
Yung volcano.
Oh, yun yung sigat eh.
Oh my God!
Oh, ang init!
Holy shit. Oh my God, tumama. Tumama. Holy shit. Holy shit. Yeah. Woo. 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 Wow. Wow. Kino. Kino. Hoy. Bruh, you ain't gonna ride a roller coaster powered by you, yo. That's bullshit, yo. Hurry up, let's go! Mag-hotpot naman tayo mamaya eh.